Time for some Wednesday wisdom with, well, Einstein of Wall Street. Einstein, looks like we have a bid in the market. What's the reason?
You know what? I really think it's a lack of bad news, right? The market's been tossed and turned a lot lately over the whole China story, which has been the main anxiety-creating force in this market for the longest time. And when that stuff starts coming out, the dissemination of information mid-morning about stuff going on with China and tariffs and whatnot, and a trade war, the market responds in a negative fashion. We have not heard any of that today. There is some banter between the president and the Fed, but there is nothing really. The China story is not on the table today. So it's amazing that the minute that lack of bad news comes in, they come in and buy the market.
And what sectors do you think have lack of investment that people might jump to?
You know what? I don't know that, but I'm seeing that oil is rallying back. You know, I think that a lot of the big players are sitting on the sidelines because they can really get tossed around by this tweet problem. And I think it is a problem. But net, there's where else do you want to put your money? Look, the rest of the world is going through some problems, right? And it's clearly with negative interest rates there and whatnot. Where does the money trickle down eventually is here. We actually have a strong economy. We actually have reasonable interest rates, right? And we have unemployment that's at a great level. So, you know, we're at 26,000 in the Dow. We're at 28 and change in the S&P. These are reasonable levels. You know, I think there's anxiety in the fact that it's hard to predict what will happen if we do go to a trade war. My gut is the administration doesn't want that. So lack of bad news brings buyers into the market, at least for today. Market's up 200 points.
And that could be why we're seeing the yield curve continually revert in and out. But you know what, Peter? You said we have a strong economy. Can we finish off with a nice flex? Can we do that?
There you go, you and me.